I will tell you the 5 useful tips for LG Smart TV 55UM6910. I recommend you see this video for your more convenient use of this item. So the first tip is how to use the AirPlay function on your iPhone. It means that you may want to screen mirror your iPhone to Smart TV. The very first thing you should do is to update the software version of your TV. Actually, I already updated to 047130, but when you check the version just after you buy this item, it's probably the lower one. So you can do it by using the setting button on your remote, go to all settings, general, about this TV. And just click check for updates. Only if you complete the software update, you can use the AirPlay function. So to use the AirPlay function, you just swipe up your iPhone and touch the screen mirroring. Then you find the LG TV's name, then just tap the button, and that's it. Actually, some smartphone applications have the share function, and one example is YouTube. When you use YouTube app on your smartphone, you can see the share button on the top of the screen and then just touch that icon and choose the device that you want to share the YouTube screen, just like this. So the second tip is to use LG TV Plus app when you want to open the YouTube on your TV because the basic remote does not have the quick button for YouTube. So after downloading this app through the App Store, open it, and then you'll see the message that to use the app, your smartphone must be connected to the LG TV. So touch the connect now. And remember that your smartphone and smart TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi. And just touch the name of your TV, then there will be the TV menu button and TV app list. Then you will find the YouTube icon. If the Wi-Fi is disconnected when you turn on the TV, you may solve this problem easily by unplugging the wired internet. It seems that this TV put the wired internet connection first, so the Wi-Fi will be disconnected during the wired connection. However, the Wi-Fi connection has the advantages not only because of the convenience but the compatibility on using screen mirroring or sharing functions. So I recommend you just use the Wi-Fi connection. When you cannot use the Netflix app, it may be because of the location setting. You can do it by entering all settings, general, location, and you'll find the LG Services country menu. You can see the service area zip code, so just enter the zip code where you are living in. But if you are now living out of the 3 countries, Canada, Mexico, or United States, there will be no difference between entering the right and the wrong one because you cannot see the terrestrial television programs anyway. So there are 5 options when you enter into the location menu, set automatically Canada, Mexico, US, and others. I recommend you to choose the one from the 3 Canada, Mexico, or United States. It seems that the LG contents offer the Netflix app only if the specific region is chosen. So if you choose the others or set automatically, you could not download the Netflix app from the LG content store. So this is the final tip. I recommend you set the picture mode as game. It must reduces the delay when you connect your laptop by using HDMI cable or when you use the screen mirroring with your mobile phone. Actually, I've tried some picture modes and the HDMI connection has little delay when I use the game mode, but there was a little delay when you're using screen mirroring with my iPhone or laptop, so I cannot recommend you to play the game with the screen mirroring function because of the delay. However, you can enjoy enough to see the movies or pictures, which means without the real-time operations, you've got no problem. As you may know, you can connect your laptop to Smart TV at the screen mirroring menu. In my case, my LG Prime laptop with MS Windows 10 shows the menu when I enter functional key with F7. So just click the connect to a wireless display and choose the LG TV. So if this video was useful, please click like it and subscribe. Thank you.